Here we got the gray book bag. This is the fabric on the outside. It's waterproof. As you can see, you got 1, 2, but 3 pockets here. They all open. They're very spacious. You can put a lot of stuff in here, like, excuse me. Just want to open it all up. In here, you have holders. Could even use this as a baby bag. You can put the bottles here. And for breast milk too, this is really nice, but I'm thinking I might get another one for myself since we got 2 boys. But everything is insulated here, and I'm just very fond of this. I am. You could probably fit quite a few in there. Here, this top one, the front zip here. So, yeah, this is it. Turn it to the back. Straps here. Straps here. They're all adjustable, including this one in the middle. And plus, it's got a bottle opener for those hard to open sodas. My husband likes pop, so yeah, it's pretty nice, decent. We got it for about 25 bucks on sale today. I guess yesterday. It came in the mail today, so it came really fast. 1 day shipping. Got it about 9:30 this morning, and I ordered it last night around 10 o'clock. So that was nice. Fast delivery, good product. We didn't like it.
Okay, dábete.
Chao, chao.